The Inner Earth and Hollow Earth Theory, a comprehensive exploration of myth and speculation. This dissertation delves into the multifaceted concept of Inner Earth, exploring the mythological, historical, and speculative narratives surrounding Hollow Earth theory. By examining cultural myths, fictional representations, and pseudoscientific claims, this study seeks to unravel the persistent allure of what lies beneath our planet's surface. The exploration extends to the vibrant tapestry of legends, contemporary testimonies, and the lasting impact such stories have had on literature, art, and modern theories. The concept of Inner Earth has captivated humanity for centuries, straddling the realms of myth and fiction. This dissertation aims to provide a holistic examination of this enduring fascination. By juxtaposing speculative and legendary interpretations, the study highlights the interplay between the human imagination and the mysteries beneath the Earth's surface. The allure of subterranean realms often serves as a canvas for our deepest fears, hopes, and quests for enlightenment, creating narratives that reflect cultural values and existential inquiries. Mythology and ancient beliefs. Ancient cultures and subterranean realms. Throughout ancient civilizations, the notion of hidden worlds beneath the Earth's surface permeated cultural narratives, symbolizing realms of gods, spirits, and the afterlife. In Greek mythology, Hades, the god of the underworld, presides over a vast subterranean kingdom where the souls of the dead reside. This realm is not one of eternal torment, but a complex domain housing both the virtuous and the wicked, each finding their designated place in the afterlife. The river Styx, encircling Hades' kingdom, acted as both a boundary and a passage, representing the transition between life and death. In Norse mythology, Svartalfheim is the subterranean home of the Dark Elves, Dalkalfar, and dwarves, master craftsmen responsible for creating legendary artifacts such as Thor's hammer Mjolnir. These underground dwellers symbolize wisdom, skill, and hidden treasures concealed within the Earth's depths. Their connection to the Earth embodies ancient humanity's reverence for craftsmanship and the perceived spiritual power of natural elements. Celtic legends frequently reference hollow hills and underground realms inhabited by the Tuatha De Danann, a race of godlike beings who retreated beneath the earth after losing control of Ireland. These hidden lands, known as the City, are places of beauty and enchantment, with portals often believed to exist in ancient burial mounds and natural formations. The City were considered intermediaries between humans and the divine, embodying a mystical bridge between worlds. Native American cultures recount stories of their ancestors emerging from subterranean worlds. The Hopi speak of the Ant people, who guided and sheltered them in underground realms during times of global catastrophe. Similarly, the Navajo describe a first world beneath the current one, inhabited by mystical beings who imparted wisdom and guidance. These narratives often link subterranean existence with survival, rebirth, and the cyclical nature of human existence. The Japanese Shinto tradition describes Yomi, the land of the dead, as an underworld where spirits journey after life. This realm is a mirror of the earthly world, but shrouded in shadow, reinforcing the cyclical nature of life, death, and rebirth. The descent into Yomi is a journey that mirrors introspection and the acceptance of mortality. Ancient Mesopotamian texts detail the realm of Kor, a dark and desolate underworld ruled by the goddess Ereshkigal. Kor is a place of no return, where the dead lead a ghostly existence, emphasizing the inevitability of mortality and the sacred boundary between the living and the dead. The underworld was not only a realm of punishment, but a necessary continuation of existence, reflecting the duality of life and death. These subterranean realms across cultures reflect humanity's enduring fascination with the unknown, suggesting that hidden worlds beneath the surface serve as metaphors for transformation, enlightenment, and the mysteries that lie beyond ordinary perception. Agartha, Shambhala, and other legendary cities. Tibetan and Hindu traditions speak of hidden cities such as Agartha and Shambhala, thought to house enlightened beings and advanced civilizations. Agartha is described as a sprawling subterranean realm illuminated by an inner sun, teeming with lush vegetation and crystal palaces. Its inhabitants, often depicted as spiritually evolved and technologically advanced, are said to live in harmony and possess esoteric knowledge lost to the surface world. The city of Shambhala, deeply rooted in Buddhist lore, is envisioned as a utopian kingdom concealed somewhere in the Himalayas. Legends suggest that it exists on both a physical and spiritual plane, accessible only to those who attain a heightened state of awareness and purity. Shambhala is prophesied to emerge at a time of great strife, leading the world into a new era of enlightenment. Mythological texts hint that entrances to these hidden realms can be found at remote locations such as caves, mountains, and polar regions. Ancient manuscripts and oral traditions speak of sages and explorers who stumbled upon these cities but were sworn to secrecy, reinforcing the enigmatic nature of inner Earth. The persistent search for these places echoes humanity's longing for paradise and ultimate truth. Contemporary hollow Earth claims and theories, alleged expeditions, and testimonies. One of the most famous accounts associated with hollow Earth theory is that of Admiral Richard E. Byrd, a U.S. Navy officer and explorer. In 1947, Byrd reportedly flew over the North Pole and described entering a lush, green inner world inhabited by advanced beings. This testimony, though widely regarded as apocryphal, has fueled speculation about secret entrances to inner Earth at the poles. Byrd's alleged diaries detail encounters with beings possessing advanced technology and philosophical wisdom, painting a portrait of a peaceful inner civilization. In 1926, Norwegian sailor Olaf Jansen allegedly sailed with his father through an opening at the North Pole, discovering an inner world bathed in light from a central sun. According to Jansen's account, they encountered a race of 12-foot-tall beings who claimed to be descendants of ancient civilizations. This tale was detailed in Willis George Emerson's book, The Smoky God, which presents Jansen's story as a factual narrative. Another noteworthy testimony comes from German occult societies during the early 20th century. The Vril Society, an esoteric group believed to be involved in Nazi mysticism, claimed to have knowledge of subterranean civilizations and sought to establish contact with advanced beings within the Earth. Reports suggest that expeditions to Tibet were part of this effort, attempting to locate entrances to inner Earth. There are also accounts from Buddhist monks who, during deep meditative states, claimed to have astrally projected into vast underground cities inhabited by enlightened beings. Some of these monks shared visions of sprawling golden temples and advanced technologies hidden beneath the Himalayas. Additionally, reports from Arctic and Antarctic explorers mentioned peculiar phenomena such as anomalous magnetic fields, unusual animal migrations, and warm winds emanating from ice crevices, which some have interpreted as signs of hidden inner realms. Polar openings and UFO connections. Hollow Earth theorists propose that large openings exist at the North and South Poles, serving as gateways to the inner world. Some conspiracy theories link these entrances to UFO activity, suggesting that extraterrestrial crafts originate from hidden civilizations within the Earth. Accounts from pilots and sailors occasionally reference anomalous readings or sightings near polar regions, adding to speculation. Conclusion: the enduring myth of inner Earth reflects humanity's deep-rooted desire to uncover hidden truths and seek enlightenment. Whether viewed as a metaphor for spiritual journeys or entertained as speculative lore, the concept of hollow Earth continues to inspire curiosity and wonder. As scientific exploration expands our understanding of the planet, these ancient and modern narratives remind us of the rich tapestry of human imagination and the unyielding quest for discovery.